She is totally snoring. And Buddy's just over there. I wonder what pigs dream about.